A Brazilian expert has said in a recent interview with Xinhua that the relationship between China and Latin America and the Caribbean region tends to increase in the future due to their complementarity.
Currently, China appears as a large trading and investment partner of most Latin American and Caribbean countries. China has helped create a more incredible momentum in the Latin American and Caribbean economies because there is significant complementarity between countries. China-Latin America trade continues to expand. The region wants to participate in the new multilateralism. In this case, it prioritizes sustainable development and the construction of the new reconfiguration of the international financial architecture. If you look at the recent measures determined by the Chinese government, you can observe a great synergy between these goals and actions on both sides.
By November of 2021, China was the second largest trading partner of the LAC region, and the annual bilateral trade volume had exceeded $300 billion for 3 consecutive years.